Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Telegram download files over your PC or laptop, right? So it is very easy to find. Let me show you. So this is my Telegram account. I'm already logged in, right? So on the top left side corner you will see the three lines, which is the menu bar. Once you click over here, you will get this settings option, right? Here you can see, and once I click on the setting option here in the advanced feature, so you have to just tap on it or just click on it advanced, right? And here on the second option you will find download path, right? So basically if I just click on it, it will ask me that this is a Telegram folder in a system which is downloads, right? So basically it's saved here in my download section, right? But if you want to change, you can just change out. You can see custom folders, clear out manually, right? So if you want to change, you can just change, or if you want to view download, right? So if I just click on download, all my download files will be shown here. Right now there is not even a single video or photos or anything, that's why it's not showing. By the way, there is another feature which is called as download path for each file, right? So whenever you're downloading a file, video or photos, whatever, right? So if I just turn this on, then every download Telegram will ask me that where you want to save it. At that time I can set or wherever the location I just want to keep the files, right? So in this way you can just change your download files, and this is a download section. I hope you found this very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.